lawyers of the Bar Association of Allahabad High Court are holding protests against transfer of Justice Verma to Allahabad High Court. Now, Allahabad High Court Bar Association has declared an indefinite strike starting today. This decision came after Supreme Court recommended, remember, the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma from the Delhi High Court to Allahabad High Court. The Bar Association has demanded that the central government intervene in the matter and that the Supreme Court Collegium withdraw its recommendation. The Bar Association of Allahabad said that lawyers will remain on an indefinite strike until their demands are met.
Honorable members, I had the benefit yesterday of the wise counsel, experienced counsel of Leader of the House and Leader of the Opposition, who were gracious enough to respond to my invitation for an interaction on this very critical issue that is agitating minds in all branches of governance. The issue undoubtedly is serious enough. We three of us together took note of the developments and also took note of the healthy development that for the first time in unprecedented manner, the Chief Justice of India took the initiative to put everything in public domain. But then a suggestion emanated from Leader of the Opposition and agreed by Leader of the House that the issue needs to be deliberated at my instance with the floor leaders. I have scheduled a meeting after seeking convenience at 4:30 p.m. today with the floor leaders as suggested by Leader of the Opposition and agreed to by Leader of the House, and timing has also been indicated to the concerned. I am sure we will have very fruitful interaction and find a way out.
पहले हम अपने को क्लैरिफाई करना चाहते हैं कि हम ये लड़ाई किसी जज के खिलाफ नहीं लड़ रहे, हम सिस्टम के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं। हमारी ये लड़ाई इसलिए हो रही है कि मेरे यहाँ जो हार्ड वर्किंग ऑनेस्ट जजेस हैं, आज उनकी छवि खतरे में पड़ी हुई है। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट को डंपिंग ग्राउंड समझ लिया है। जो भी होगा उसको आप यही करप्शन के चार्ज पे कहीं कोई जज को ट्रांसफर किया किसी डाउट पे, तो इलाहाबाद इसे हाई कोर्ट वहां ट्रांसफर कर दो। आप देखिए, इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट के लिए पिछले 2 वर्षों से 7-8 वर्षों से माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जुडिशियल साइड में ऑब्जर्वेशंस हो रहे हैं। कभी आता है समथिंग रॉटन इन इलाहाबाद, कभी आता है इलाहाबाद में लिस्टिंग कोलैप्स हो गई है, कभी आता है जजेस आर नॉट वर्किंग। इस तरह की बातें हो रही हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट को पता है कि इलाहाबाद की सिचुएशन क्या है, तो उसका डिफेक्ट रिमूव करने का प्रयास होना चाहिए। उसमें फर्दर डिफेक्टिव लोगों को आप डालेंगे तो सिस्टम कोलैप्स कर जाएगा।
Considered guilty till there is proper investigation. So offhand I cannot say anything. The Supreme Court Chief Justice has appointed a committee. They have transferred the concerned judge to Allahabad. Let the Supreme Court appointed committee decide on the issue. It's not for politicians to debate and discuss the issue.
And sir, what is your take about Deputy CM D.K. Shiv Kumar reported statement on Constitution?
Shiv Kumar has denied that he ever said what has been alleged against him. The BJP is unnecessary.
केवल सस्पिशन इज ए ग्राउंड।
ये कोई बड़ी सजा नहीं है। अगर किसी राजनेता के घर से इतनी रकम निकलती तो हाहाकार देश में मच जाता। एक अदालत से दूसरी अदालत में ट्रांसफर करना कोई सजा नहीं।